let me show you how I made this beautiful pleated crinoline fascinator that got everyone talking. So I got my crinoline. Okay, I got some beads. I put the bead in the wire. Then if you check the crinoline, it has two sides. One side has rope on it, so just hold it and start pulling it like this. Pull it to your desired shape, okay? For me, when I finished pulling, I decided to adjust it again to make sure it fits in. I actually pulled on both sides because I was scared so it would cut. So this is what I have. I went ahead to just try to use my needle and thread to stitch it. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. I will not forget to greet you, my wonderful subscriber. If you are just joining us, or if today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. You are in the right place. Please always stay tuned, okay? And to my returning subscriber, I say thank you, and thank you. God bless you. So you see what I just did? I decided to put some glue at the rough edge to press it down. Then I put it in the head of this dummy and I pin it down so I can fix my designs. This was the wire. I used that container you saw just now to just around it. The other one, I needed it smaller. I used the candlestick or the silicone stick. I'm sorry it was not showing at this time. Okay, so after that I just joined them together and twist them. Being that they are wire, they will always stick to each other, so you can see how it is. So this time I got a band that wasn't covered, so I had to cover it myself. If you want to learn how to cover your band, check my previous videos. Okay, so I got these yellow feathers so I can use it to embellish it. Just stick them randomly on it or over it, and voila, it's ready. Simple and fast. Is it not nice? Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a very big thumbs up. Help us to share this video so a lot of persons can see, okay? So let me try it on and see how it looks on me. Oh, yellow is my best color, eh? Can you see this yellow? It's giving. Please, could you rate this over 10 in the comment section? What will you rate this fascinator over 10? Will you be trying this out? It's very easy to make. So if you cannot get pleated canoeing, go for the normal one. But pleated canoe will give you this nice design. Okay? See you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye bye.